What I go on good is run come a quick make we make some curry oxtail. Yes man, fall off the bone, curry oxtail. So this is gonna be a quick and fast one. So here I have my oxtail washed in some vinegar and some lemon. And I have all my seasoning over here that I will be using. So as I said, quick and fast. I'm just gonna let my ancestors guide me while I pour the seasoning. I've been in the kitchen for so long, so I know like exactly how much to use, but I'll just go over and let you know. So I'm using the roasted pepper and garlic, and I'm just using like 1 teaspoon of this one. Good. And I'm using about half tablespoon of my Cool Runnings chicken seasoning, 1 teaspoon of my ground cumin. Don't need too much of this one. I'm using about a teaspoon as well of turmeric, half tablespoon of Maggi all-purpose, half tablespoon of Maggi chicken, half tablespoon of garlic powder mixed with onion powder. I have some dry onion, this is optional. A teaspoon of garlic pepper powder. And this is what we're going to use to season our curry oxtail. So we're just going to rub this in. Yes, goodies, see then, nicely rubbed in. Quick sneak peek of all the seasoning that I used. There you have it. Yeah man. So what we're gonna do now, we're just gonna go over to the stove here, and here you can see I have some oil in the pot, and I have my curry, I have some cumin seeds, I have half of a hot pepper, and I have some crushed garlic or minced garlic. You can use 2 cloves of garlic. So I'm just burning the curry in the oil for about less than a minute because I don't want it to be too bitter. So this is how I do my curry. I don't put the curry on the meat. Never put the curry on the meat. So when the curry is looking beautiful like this, then we're gonna add our oxtail. So I just want to toss this around for about 3 minutes. The goodies have been tossing for about a minute or 2 just to get the curry into the oxtail. You can do this on the stove, but to cut some time, I'm going to transfer this now to my pressure cooker. And I'm going to pressure this for 30 minutes, and then I am going to come back and finish it off again on my stove. So I'm just going to add water and put it into my pressure cooker. But you can add the water now, cover it down, and allow it to cook. But we have more seasoning to put into this, so let's go pressure this for 30 minutes. Alright goodies, so see me everything on the pressure pot. I'm going to add about 6 seeds of pimento seed, and I'm just going to crush them a little bit and throw them in, cover down for 30 minutes. Alright, see you in 30. Okay goodies, run come look, see there? Yeah man, half an hour, done pressure. So this is what it's looking like. So what we're gonna do now, we're gonna finish this off now in our pot on our stove top. So let me just go over some seasoning that I've made. So I have some thyme, bell peppers, onion, and some green onion. So I'm gonna add this to the pot, and then after that I'm going to top up my pot with some more powdered season if it needs to be, because I'm gonna taste my pot first, maybe add a Maggi cube or so. Alright, so let's go over to our stove. So goodies, I have some oil in the pot, just a little tad to fry up the seasoning. So I'm going to put the seasoning in. So just for about, 1 minute, just puff around a little bit, just to get some of that nice fragrance out of the seasoning. And then now we're gonna put in our oxtail. So goodies, see there? Just leave this now to continue cooking, and when the gravy go down like halfway, I'm gonna taste the pot and I'll let you know if I'm adding anything else. Okay, remember, if you're new here, please hit that subscription button. Leave me a comment, goodies. Let me know what you think about my recipes. Let me know what recipe you're looking for, what you would like me to make next, and I'm telling you, your queen will make it for you. Like the video, share the video, my friends. Stay tuned for the final results. Alright, goodies, see there? That's the final result. Yeah, everything look nice. Let me know what you think about the recipe. Thumbs up to the video. Look at that beauty. So the gravy nice and thick and rich. Yeah, man. This is how you want it. And it's falling off the bone. Yes, yes. Well cooked, well nice. Alright, goodies. Thank you all for watching. Until next time, walk good.